guys, this is Quinn, and today I'm going to show you how to replace an ink cartridge on the Epson S60600. So it's going to prompt you with an error like this, letting you know that there's not enough ink to either run a job or to start a cleaning. A light will come on the front for which cartridge you need to replace. I've already taken mine out of the box, but it should come in the box and in a plastic bag. If it's not in a sealed plastic bag, check with the manufacturer before putting it in the printer. So you have your cartridge, and you're going to want to shake it about 10 times. You're going to shake it side to side like this. If you shake it up and down or shake it really fast, it can put bubbles in there, which the shaking is just to get the ink to start flowing. So what you're going to do is you're going to push this up to unlatch it and pull the old ink cartridge out. And you're going to look for the side on your cartridge that has the tip facing up. It will also be the side that has all of the text upright on the front. You're going to push it all the way in and then click that down, and then you're good to go.